This is the world's smartest desk setup. It doesn't need internet.
128 gigabytes of VRAM.
It can speak.
Hello.
And it has a wireless force field of energy.
It just lights up.
It's keeping it warm!
Stop following me.
Alright, here's the thing. I'm not very smart, okay? I'm just keeping it real with you. Like, if there were an actual way to measure it that made sense, I'd probably be like slightly below average. You know what I'm saying? Like, probably like 100. I'd hit triple digits. I'd probably get in triple digits. But like, if the average person is a 120, I'm 100. I'm not just like fishing for compliments here. I know you look at the videos and you're like, that guy's smart. That guy's smart. You gotta be smart to do that. I'm not, dude. But I am persistent, okay? It's like a monkey. It's like if there's a vault full of bananas and a monkey outside of it and it's locked, you're like, the monkey's not getting the bananas. But then 2 years later, the monkey's still pounding on the door, like scraping it with sticks and stuff. You might be like, all right, I think this monkey might get those bananas. I'm not sure how, but I think he's gonna do it. Step one is a true wireless energy system. I think one of the greatest scams of all time are the wireless chargers that all of our phones can do. Like, here's a wireless charging puck thing. First off, plug a wire into it. Secondly, perfectly position your phone on it. Make sure it's touching, don't bump it, don't look at it, don't smell it, and it's gonna charge. Slowly. That's pretty cool, right?
Gotta clean that lens off. I think I just spit on it.
So as I was assembling the Vernal desk with all its cohesive and modular components that can help you get in the zone, I routed in this perfectly cut channel where I installed the Etherdyne True Wireless Power System. You can request a kit on their website, and this thing basically
That thing is a beefy, brother.
uses magnetic energy to create an actual wireless field of energy.
Nuts. Dude.
A true wireless alternating current circuit.
That is bright, dude. Oh my goodness. I watch DIY perks too, right? But like, until you experience this, look, like as it gets closer to the desk, it just lights up, bro. That's like a dream come true, is wireless energy. That's what we imagined as 10-year-olds watching stinking Mythbusters.
We have ChatGPT now, and when it first came out, it felt like we truly got Jarvis from Iron Man. But what I never stopped thinking about was like, he tells Jarvis to do stuff, right? He'll say like, build me fresh armor or whatever. And I'm like, where is that? What is that? So ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they're all LLMs, right? What you do to get that is plug your LLM into an MCP server. So this looks just like a standard robotic arm, but inside of it is an LLM that is designed to tell the robot to do things.
Give it some trash. Clean that trash up. Oh, whoa!
An MCP server is essentially a tool that lets an LLM control something. It's cool, it's kind of novel. However, this one is kind of dumb.
What, brother? Oh, it can't get it. It can't get it.
It's not very smart.
4 gigabytes. Get it. Get it, little buddy. So it should like grab the tool. Almost, little buddy. It's like the crane game, which those are the dumbest of all dumb. Okay, buddy. Okay, but so yeah, we're gonna have to enhance this guy and make him smart. Oh my goodness. That is just not very bright.
But man, look at that nice natural finish. That is quality. So what does the smartest desk need? In order to be the smartest ever, it needs a brain.
Courtesy of Framework.
A big,
128 gigabytes of VRAM.
beefy
They sent me 2 of them.
brain.
2 of them, baby. And I'm gonna interconnect them.
Framework mini ITX motherboards that each have 128 gigabytes of VRAM. They like perfectly fit this little tray.
These came on the power supplies. These are snorkels in case the power supply needs to breathe underwater. I'm just kidding. I don't know what these do.
It goes in this little rack and it's super cool, but I don't need to go in the little rack. I wanted to affix it directly to the Vernal standing desk. So I designed and 3D printed these little brackets.
But okay, so there's the right bracket that should bolt it to the top of the desk and fit perfectly.
That somehow worked first try.
Oh yeah, that was nice. I like when the supports come right off, and look at that, man. Nice rigid PLA Plus. It doesn't always work first try, but when it does, boy, is it nice. It fits like a stinking glove.
Wow, that looks pretty good. It looks like really nice.
That's on there good. That's one of them. That's 128 gigabytes VRAM. Put another one right next to it. Right there. No freaking laptop motherboard here today. That's the good stuff. X64, the big cores. Sorry, I was nerding out. My bad.
So then just a bunch of cable management, like a bunch of cable management. Like I'm not even gonna show you the underneath side of this. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna show you, but if you're eating, look away, okay? Look at this.
Cable management, baby. Good thing they have that cover and the pre-installed nuts in order to cover it all up.
And then a whole bunch of programming. And then I had the most advanced, smartest setup I've ever seen. But like, what do you do with it? And where's the mouse and keyboard?
Brains.
Mouse and keyboard? You mean like the one your grandpa uses? For emails? All right, I might have been sandbagging a little bit earlier when I said a whole bunch of programming. Day 17. So once again, while Monkey Man does the programming, I'm gonna tell you about the Vernal Desk. They've got this modular system with tons of different accessories. Nice. Pre-installed nuts on the bottom. I'm not gonna make a joke about the pre-installed nuts. I'm not gonna do that. So it makes it really easy to assemble the thing and put all your accessories on there. I'll probably end up mounting a full-size gaming PC on there. There's tons of different sizes and colors available. I went with this L shape because I've always wanted a corner L shape for the space, dude, but I've never seen a good one that goes up and down, like standing desk. And for the price point on these things, these are extremely high quality. They redesigned their keypad so it doesn't jab you in the hip when you roll around, man. That's what I'm talking about. So please consider clicking my link in the description and using code YTBH6 for an additional 6% off and $70 off classic sets. Thank you, Vernal, for sponsoring the video. Now let's see what the monkey came up with. Believe it or not, I've never actually written a single line of code. So I just went and I got my stick and I started scraping on the vault door. So here's my best understanding of how it all works. Even since the 80s, there's been commercials of just like talk to it and tell it what to do. But I don't want my computer to just update my portfolio while making money off my gender and birthday. Okay, first off,
Plugging in a monitor like this. That is so 2025, bro.
the desktop environment is accessible from any of my computers or devices from anywhere in the world. The LLM is running on Framework 1 constantly, with all my programs and the voice running on Framework 2. So I can talk to it and it responds sort of just like ChatGPT.
Hey Jarvis, tell me a joke.
And dude, I didn't expect this. It like opened the browser, looked up a fresh joke, and gave me that one.
Found a joke for you. Here it is. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
It went the extra mile, you know? And since it's all happening locally, and I can access it from anywhere in the world, nobody's doing any sentiment analysis on that. Nobody's scraping my data. Microsoft. But here's where it gets better. With MCP servers and different tool commands, I can explain with normal language what I want accomplished, and it will do those things.
Hey Jarvis, open Chromium. There we go, baby. Go to youtube.com.
Okay, now it's slower than something like Copilot,
Let's freaking go.
but once again, it's not invading my privacy every moment of my life, which is a fair trade.
Let's freaking go. All right, go to that channel.
Okay, but if opening a browser or a program isn't that cool to you, I can also describe in natural language what I want a piece of hardware to do. And then the only limitation is the limitation of the hardware.
Grab this and don't let go. You. Don't drop it. Yeah, see, as long as it's all happening locally, and I know it's not like sending this off to some dude in Chicago who's gonna like pretend to be a robot while he helps me. Don't let go. Pretty heavy? Is that a little heavy, buddy?
And the field of power, all I've ever wanted is like permanently warm coffee. And so I built this device that receives the power from the energy field and warms whatever mug I sat on it anywhere on the desk.
Yes, baby. Yes! Perpetually warm coffee. Just literally a cup, a mug, anything. That's stinking hot. So just keep going, too.
Realistically, this is just like a baby version of what we could all have in a few years. You don't need a mouse and keyboard or even a screen with it. Just use your words and say what needs to happen. And it feels like it's taken everyone way too long to get to this point.
All right, so here's my top secret method on how to create an MCP server if you don't know how to do that. Or
How do I create an MCP server?
I had this buddy in 4th grade. His name was Trevor. Me and Trevor were like best buddies by default. We were both super weird and basically just didn't want to sit alone at lunch. Everybody knew Trevor was the smartest. Like, if he got a 98 on a paper, we were all looking at the teacher like, hey lady, you messed up, okay? You got something wrong. He probably got 100. And it wasn't until recently that I realized that, see, Trevor wasn't actually that smart. I mean, he was in 4th grade, you know what I'm saying? He can all be so smart. See, what he would do is he would just like ask the adults for help and they would help him. So all he had to do was persistently seek the answer.
Just passing through.
So one final thanks to Vernal for sponsoring the video. Please consider using my link in the description and using my code for an additional 6% off. Thanks for watching.